Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Y'all see the shirt, y'all? Do I look powder off with this lipstick on? This lip gloss? So we can't have that. We can't be out on the internet looking like we got to wipe them off. I don't know. It's gonna come off anyway. Y'all, today, let me let my shirt on so y'all can see my bun. I just want y'all to see my shirt, really. Hey, y'all. Anyway, y'all, today we have some Popeyes. Y'all, I had Popeyes this weekend, and I had red beans and rice for the first time. I'm not no bean person. I don't like no chili with no beans in it, all that kind of stuff. So, I tried the red beans and rice for the first time for whatever reason. And baby, when I tell you that was so good. So, first of all, Popeyes is high. When I got it this weekend, it was like $10 for my 3-piece with my side. This 3-piece was like $12. It was like $12, y'all. And I said, y'all ought to be ashamed of y'all still, really. They ain't got the first piece of honey. They said they ain't got no honey. We're going to take a thumbnail right quick. Because I do not want no big dry biscuit without no honey. Okay. Oh, I got me some macaroni too. Should I put that up there? Okay, y'all. That look good. My nose itching. Anyway, how y'all doing today? Baby, I don't see nothing but rye. Better be some beans up under there. I know that. So let's go ahead and dig in. Let me see what these biscuits are about, huh? It's okay. How are y'all doing today? I know I came in talking dinner. I've been in the talkative mood today, and I ain't been around nobody today, so I pretty much been talking inside my head. But it's all right too. Push this over. We're gonna get one more thumbnail, y'all. I know I keep playing games. Okay. We done. What it is. What it is, y'all. We got this hot behind Texas Pete that I just had yesterday with the mussels. Y'all know I don't never learn. Let me bite one more of this. Okay. We got us some Sprite to drink. I don't think I finished my sentence, so when I got Popeye this weekend, it was like $9, $9.70 something for this combo. This exact same combo. And on the board, it say a 3-piece combo at this location. It's saying $12, honey. Where don't extra $3 come from and why? It's the same franchise. Not the same franchise, the same company. Can different franchises change their property? I mean, why can't talk? Change their prices? That's good. I think I need a little hot sauce in it. Okay. Let's try some of this chicken though. It's all right there now. If you don't like when I talk too much, y'all might as well go and click off now. Lord. Thank you and hello to my new subscribers. I see y'all. We on the road to 600. Y'all, I can't wait to get my numbers up. And now I want to be able to do YouTube full time. I can be able to get y'all some great content, y'all. Because you know, when I'm able to do it full time, that means I'm getting paid to do it. It's all right here now. Let's try the macaroni. It's all right there too now. I'm gonna tell y'all who macaroni y'all need to try. Arby's. Arby's got that white cheddar macaroni. Y'all, it's so good. I think I tried it on camera. I think I recorded a video of it. And then that's when my phone had erased all my stuff or something. So I never got to put it out. But it's so good, y'all. It's so good. Why am I doing this? Amen. These beans are so good. And rice. Ain't it fresh or they stuck it in the microwave one? How y'all doing today? Don't know if I said that already. Today is Friday. I'm ready to go on to work so I can get up out there 4 o'clock. Because they've been worrying me all week, honey. Woo. All week. Excuse me. I'm gonna see if my kids like, well, my baby like that. I don't think my oldest gonna eat it. But I'm gonna see if he gonna like it. That's why I got the large one. But this side right here, I'm gonna kill that. I'm getting full, y'all. didn't really even want no chicken today. I just wanted the red beans and rice. What you got? Huh? Mm. Mm. You might be jealous. You only got all wings? I'll get a wing later. I get a wing later. Cause I ain't finna eat that whole piece of chicken. You want some chicken? You want to try some more red beans and rice? You ain't like them. Mm-hmm. Right, I'm gonna take one more scoop out of here and I'm gonna be done because I'm full. Full enough to start eating stuff.
You want this?
Okay, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are not. Set your notifications. Set your notifications to all so you'll be notified every time YouTube, y'all know, every time I upload a video, honey. And until the next video, bye y'all.